Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm one of the child and mental health student nurses at the University of Leicester. So I chose the University of Leicester because of how caring the staff are and such a unique course that it offers. So having access to a dissection room and studying integrated leadership components and being able to gain a dual registration as a nurse. So in advance to applying to the university, I did know about the dissection room as an opportunity, which is really very exciting, so I can't actually think of any other nursing courses that offer that. In terms of preparation for the first time in dissection room, mainly just going in with an open mind and wanting to learn and actually making the most from the opportunity, because it's a learning experience, and to make the most of that is kind of what I owe to the people who have donated their bodies and to the patients I'll be working with in the future. Yeah, so my experience in the dissection room was roughly what I was expecting. You very much get those initial nerves, as I think anyone would in dealing with that sort of situation. But then actually when you get down to it, you remember why you're there, and you really can explore and learn. And actually when you look back on it, that these people have donated their bodies for you to learn, and your learning will then help save others. That's really impactful. In terms of my future career, the dissection room I think will be really impactful because I'll have that much better practical understanding of the human anatomy than nurses graduating from some other courses. I'll be able to bring patients a higher level of care, and especially looking at roles such as surgery, it means you have that experience prior to working with real patients. Within the dissection room, of course, it's a very high standard of practice and really being very respectful of the cadavers, and that's a really lovely environment to see actually everyone come together and uphold and use it to then learn from those experiences and from the opportunities we have. So the most challenging thing about the DR, I think, is that initial reaction. You very much walk in and you are dealing with a room full of quite a few dead bodies, and your brain naturally does bring up some things for you. But I think it's one of those things that you come across quite a few in healthcare, of actually kind of taking over, shutting those emotions down slightly, and actually going, no, I know what I'm here to do. I'm here to learn. I'm here to do the best for my patients. Going forwards with the dissection room, I'm really looking forward to actually being able to take those theoretical concepts and go and apply them practically. It was great to already do some of that today. So really learning stuff in the textbook, and then very much the classic one is you look inside someone's body and everything's actually a different size. And it's all of those sort of practical bits of learning that will help me take my theoretical knowledge into a practical setting and then deliver good quality care for our patients.